Model, 2001 Volkswagen Transporter 1.9 TD 800 Special Short Wheelbase, Camper Day Van needs head gasket. Body, red, camper. Mileage, 230627. MOT, the 23rd of April 2025. Engine, 1896 cce 2DOD ZDP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Unfortunately, the head gasket needs replacing as the coolant is pressuring after a while. Still starts and drives fine. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear camping area is in decent, average condition. Features, 2 keys. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.